arbitrationagreements.org. You're interested in mediation. That's great because there are so many benefits to mediation that often get overlooked, especially when compared to litigation. Before we go over how to receive low-cost mediation, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. Firstly, let's talk numbers. Did you know that typical litigation can last anywhere from 1 year to 3 years? Now, think about the stress, the time, and the money associated with such a long process. On the other hand, mediation, on average, can be completed in a matter of weeks or months. Now, about the cost. Litigation can be expensive, very expensive. The average lawsuit, even if it's a small matter, can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Mediation, in comparison, can be a fraction of that. It's no surprise then that over 70% of people who chose mediation found it to be more cost-effective than going to court. And let's not forget the emotional toll. Lawsuits can be draining, but mediation is a much calmer, collaborative process. The emphasis is on finding a mutual solution, not battling it out. Now, if you're wondering where to turn for mediation, that's where we come in. We are arbitrationagreements.org. Proudly, we are the top association in the country, dedicated to providing cost-effective mediation services across the USA. Our goal is simple: to make the process of dispute resolution more accessible, affordable, and stress-free for everyone involved. To secure low-cost mediation today, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think of mediation? Does it sound like a potential solution to resolving a dispute? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.